session of ABC Technology Training and Upskilling. Well, it was great experience to get into this interactive session, and my opinion is that it should be implemented in our curriculum. It will be great experience, and as well as it can help us in our career development too. Thank you.
Today we attended the workshop from ABC Technology for Training and Upskilling. From this session I have understood the importance of basics and what are the skills required as a fresher to get a job in the industry. Their curriculum mostly aligns with teaching industry oriented skills. So as a fresher I would love to learn from this kind of training institute and get a job.
The workshop was taken by ABC and it was really informative. It solved my fundamental doubts that were always there from the first year. And even though the workshop was only for 2 hours, I learned a lot and I would like it to be implemented in my curriculum. Thank you.
So today the ABC come to my college, so it was very useful because when we took pre-assessment test, I had only got 2 marks for 10 marks, but after the session it was very useful. I got 10 on 10, so we need more training classes like this.